In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Sephora account country. We will walk through this together so your account lines up with the country where you actually shop, which affects things like language, regional offers, and which site version you see. First, open the Sephora website. Use your usual browser and type Sephora in the address bar, then press enter. When the page loads fully, you should see the familiar Sephora logo at the top, along with the search bar and navigation links for categories like makeup and skincare. If the site looks very zoomed in or cut off, maximize your browser window so the account options are easy to find. Once the website is open, sign into your account. Look toward the top right corner for the Sign In or Account button and click it. A sign-in page will appear asking for your email and password. Enter your details carefully, since a single wrong letter in the email or password will stop you from signing in. After you submit, you should see your name or account icon in the top area instead of the Sign In button, which tells you that you are logged in. Now that you are signed in, click My Account. This is usually found near your name or the profile icon at the top right. When you click it, a drop-down menu or a dedicated account page will open. You should see sections like Orders, Beauty Insider, and maybe your saved addresses. If you do not see My Account right away, move your mouse over your name and wait a moment. The menu sometimes appears only when you hover. From there, select Account Details. This link or tab is often grouped with other personal settings. Click it once and give the page a moment to load. The Account Details page shows information like your name, email address, and sometimes contact preferences. You are in the correct place when you see your basic personal information laid out in editable fields. Next up, click Edit Personal Info. This button usually sits close to your name or email on the Account Details page. As soon as you click it, the fields that were locked will become editable. You may notice small text boxes or drop-down menus appear around your existing details. This is where you are allowed to change what Sephora stores for your profile. On this same screen, find the country or communication country field. It may appear as a drop-down list or a labeled section within your personal details. Scroll slowly if you have many fields so you do not miss it. The communication country setting controls which country-specific communication and version of the site your account uses, so make sure you are looking at the correct field and not an address field. With that ready, select your new country. Click the drop-down arrow for the country or communication country field and browse the list. The countries are often listed alphabetically, so move carefully until you see the one you want. Click the country name once. After that click, the field should now display your chosen country instead of the old one, confirming the selection. Finally, click Save. Look for a Save button near the bottom or top of the form and click it once. The page will refresh or briefly reload, and your updated country will stay visible in the country or communication country field. That tells you the change has been stored to your Sephora account. You have just updated the country setting on your Sephora account so it matches where you actually shop. If this helped you get your Sephora account aligned with your country, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple guides.